This video we will see the product review of iPhone 17 Pro smartphone. The iPhone 17 Pro is the latest premium smartphone made by Apple. This smartphone focuses on very powerful performance, professional camera system, and improved battery and display technology. This smartphone is designed for users who want high speed, best camera quality, and long-term reliable phone. First, we will see the display. This smartphone comes with 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display. This smartphone supports 120Hz ProMotion, so scrolling will be smooth. This smartphone has very bright display, up to 3000 nits. This means very clear screen even in sunlight. Next we will see processor. This smartphone is powered by Apple A19 Pro chip. This smartphone comes with 12 GB RAM. This gives very fast speed, smooth gaming, no lag in heavy apps. Next we will see camera system. This smartphone comes with triple 48 MP camera system. Main camera is 48 MP, ultra wide is 48 MP, telephoto is 48 MP with long zoom. This smartphone support up to 8x optical zoom. This smartphone comes with 18 MP front camera with center stage. This smartphone is very strong for photography, zoom shots, and professional video. Next we will see battery. This smartphone comes with around 3988 mAh battery. This smartphone supports fast charging, 50% in 20 minutes. This smartphone supports wireless charging. This smartphone has better battery than previous models. Next one, build quality. This smartphone has new aluminum body design, changed from titanium. This smartphone supports IP68 water and dust resistance. So this smartphone is strong and durable for daily use. Next we will see connectivity and features. This smartphone supports 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, satellite emergency support. Next one is storage options. This smartphone comes with 256 GB, 512 GB, 1 terabyte and Pro Max up to 2 terabyte. What are the advantages of this smartphone? Extremely fast performance because of A19 Pro chip. Professional level camera system. All lenses are 48 MP. Very bright and smooth display. Long software support. Strong ecosystem. What are the disadvantages of this smartphone? Very expensive. Still slower charging than some Android phones. Limited customization. No major design change for some users. What are the customer positive feedback? Users love camera quality and zoom. Very satisfied with smooth performance. Appreciate display brightness and clarity. Trust security and long updates. In US, the price of this smartphone is around $999 to $1,199. In India, the price of this smartphone is around 1,20,000 rupees to 1,50,000 rupees. Depends on storage and variant, price will change.